Hello and welcome. I'm the Theory Detective, and these lessons will uncover the mystery of music theory. Now, still on primary chords and primary triads, chords and triads. Let's take a look at tonic, dominant, and subdominant in the key of B minor. Now, B minor has two sharps. E minor has the F sharp, and for B minor we add in a second sharp, the C sharp. Remember, the order of sharps is the same for majors and for minors. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. So our first sharp, F, we have to go through and find all the Fs. Here's an F, we add it in, sharp. Here's another F, we add it in, sharp. Here's another F, add it in, sharp. So I think we got all the Fs. And then our second one is the C, C sharp. So here's our C, and we add it in. And I think that's all the sharps for C. I think that's all the Cs. Okay. Now, when counting in the scale of B, B will of course be 1. B would be 1, and C sharp would be 2. So we'll go from here. Here's our B. It's below middle C. There's our B. That's 1. I'm going to give it the Roman numeral I because it's a minor chord. B, D, F sharp. That gives us a minor chord. Now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F sharp is 5, so I'm going to put that here. But we want a dominant sound. We want a major sound. Remember, dominant is always, always, always major. So tonic can be 1, or excuse me, tonic can be minor, but dominant has to be major. So we're going to add in an extra sharp from the major keys. So we're going to make this chord major by raising the A to be A sharp. So we're going to add a sharp here, squeeze it in. It's really sloppy. So here's F sharp, A natural, and C sharp. And here's with the A sharp, minor, with the A natural, and A sharp, major. So this is the F sharp major chord. It's capital for major. So we're going to give it a Roman numeral, capital V for major. Over here, there's our B chord again. That's the 1 chord, I. And then here, remember that the 4 chord is the subdominant. It dominates from below. And it can be either major or minor. It's fine. So we're going to count, it needs to be a fifth below, just like the 5 chord is a fifth above. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gives us our E chord. And E minor is perfect the way it is. Okay. Let's find that here. I, V for our 4 or 4 chord or subdominant because of our E. And I think we have everything. I'll go ahead and add in here. There's our B for our B minor chord. There's our F sharp, capital for major. And then here I'll do a lowercase e for the minor subdominant. Okay, go ahead and take out your practice cards. We're going to make one for the 1 chord, lowercase I, in the key of B minor, and that would be the B minor chord. And this would be the 5 chord in the key of B minor. Remember to capitalize the V for Roman numeral 5. Make sure it's major by capitalize. And then in B minor, and that would be F sharp major chord. That's a complicated chord because it's now got all 3 notes sharped. And then the 4 chord, IV lowercase for minor, the 4 chord in the key of B minor, and that would be the E minor chord. Add those to your practice pile and practice them as much as you can until they become very easy. And as always, have a great day.